Hi, this is Brad. We're going to do a walk around on a 2002 Ford Excursion 4x4, 107,222 miles, stock number 4344. I want to point out this vehicle does have a 7.3 liter diesel. One of the last 7.3s. Open it up, Mike. See that big 7.3 Power Stroke diesel. It's just purring like a kitten. It looks like you put an aftermarket air cleaner assembly on there. Coolers are all good on this vehicle. We can let it run. There you can see we got a little lower damage on the lower valves there. Nothing serious. Hood does have a little roll. This thing is laid down on the right side. Looks like the left fender is good. I see one chip mark in the center of the windshield. I think one of those filler guys could fill that, take that void out. And it looks like it's going to need a left fender. Going to need a left door, and the mirror's damaged. Left rear door, and then the left quarter's going to need some bump work, and it did come down on the roof towards the back. Coming around the back, you can see on the top here that fiberglass is banged up a little bit. The gate does open and close. I can give you a view too of the interior back here. We've got all the seating. It does have a DVD player for the rear. It is a limited model. And we got a heavy duty hitch. I can even stand on that here. Give you a view. Looks like it slid on the roof a little bit right there. And coming around the passenger side, right here on the quarter, we do have a little bump there. And there is some door dings and scratches, and then the driver's door, passenger side, front door, I should say, does have some pings in it right there. Just purring away there, running away. And we'll cover the option. It does have power windows. We do have memory seat. We do have adjustable pedals. Both seats are power and heated. Excuse me. Does look like we do have a check engine light on. I want to point out there are no airbags deployed on this vehicle. We got controls on the steering wheel. CD player, looks like a 6 CD. Park assist. We also have rear and air heat for the back. There's all the DVD player for the back. Well, if you're looking for a vehicle to do some towing, does it come any better than the 7.3 diesel? If you have any questions, please give us a call. There'll be some more information on how you can sign up to our YouTube channel and receive free video updates. Thank you again for viewing. Thank you for viewing that video from Advanced Auto. And this is Brad. I just want to explain a few of the things on YouTube. And I want to point out this button right here that says subscribe. And I want to tell you a little bit about that. If you push that button, that'll take you through a process through YouTube that you will subscribe to our channel, which is repairables.com, and you will receive our videos and our videos only from YouTube. And this is very nice because it'll give you video updates before anybody else gets them of new inventory coming into Advanced Auto. As soon as we post a video and put it on YouTube, you're going to get an email and you'll be able to see the make and model of that car. And hey, if you want to watch the video, go ahead. If you don't, you can go ahead and delete it. And also, if you click on repairables.com, this will bring you to this page, which is actually our channel. And then there's also a subscribe button right there where you can subscribe. And it does explain a bunch of things about the company that we've been in 27 years. And then a nice feature on the bottom is you can scroll down and you can look at all the videos we have posted and vehicles that we have sold. And it can give you a pretty overall idea what kind of inventory we're buying. And maybe at that point you'd say, hey, I'd want to subscribe because he's getting in the kind of cars, we're getting in the kind of cars that I am interested in. So it's a very nice feature. And again, like I say, all you would have to do is push the subscribe button and go through the process. And anytime in the future, if you decide that you want to unsubscribe, that's very easy to do too, where you won't receive the updates anymore. So please keep viewing, and I hope you subscribe to our channel, repairables.com. And I want to thank you again. Thanks again.